Alright, as usual guys, I'm trading binary options. Welcome to this session. I'm trading binary options on iqoption. I usually trade on also on Codex. So Codex is also, so this one is going up. Let's just take a minute here. Sorry. This one is going to be a green candle. So I'm investing $400. Yeah, and I'm making, if my prediction is right, I'm making $344. Guys, the same strategy I'm using on Codex, I'm using also here on this on iqoption, right? So if you want to learn the strategy, as usual, everything is explained in the course in chapter or in the course in the description below. And if you have access to the course, just wait a minute. Yeah. If you have access to the course, guys, I invite you to go and take a look at the last chapter and try to follow with me here. So everything explained in the core in the chapter 4 is used here. So yeah. Yeah, as usual guys, I'm trading on pound USD, GBP USD. Sometimes I trade with Euro USD, also like Euro USD. Yeah, I like to trade with famous assets. I don't like to trade with new assets. That's a little bit risky. And I'm trying to trade sticking with binary option these days. I'm not trying to trade with of course with crypto, because I had some problems with a crypto exchange, right? What happened? So let's take this trade. Yeah, this win, and let's go. Yeah, this win. Let's open another trade. So as you can see, I'm opening trades with $400, and yeah, $400. Yeah, great. If my prediction is right, I'm making $344. Yeah. So what happened with me? I don't know what exactly happened with me. I was simply trading on yet another platform. So I made more than this. First time on this exchange. I don't want to mention their name. So a crypto exchange. No, not iqoption, not Codex, another crypto exchange. So in this crypto exchange, I was trading normally using simple indicators, right? In this case, I'm using parabolic SAR, I'm using Bollinger, I'm using RSI simply. So I was using, so let me just open another trade. So yeah, let's see before I open. So I was using indicators on their platforms, the platform that they provide, the indicators that they provide. And once I made large amount of money, they said that they will hold my money. They hold everything, all my balance, everything that was on their platform, they hold it. I think they took everything. I don't know what to do for the moment, because to be honest, I have no clue. I talked to them many times. I sent them emails. I said that, oh, can you please tell me what's the problem? They said that I wasn't playing with their rules. And by this, I know that what they meant. They meant that I wasn't losing, because this crypto exchange scammers, they make money when you lose money, right? They make money when you lose money. I told them that what's the problem with which rules I wasn't playing with, which policies I broke. They didn't respond yet, but they said that my money is on hold and my account is banned. I told them that's okay, you can ban my account, just give me my money back and I will trade on other platforms. I want to take my money. They said no, I really worked so hard on that for the money and I'm not getting my money back. So guys, I want you to be careful. Yeah, I want you to be careful in choosing, yeah, this one in choosing the right platform for you or crypto exchange. And yeah, great, great, great. So yeah, guys, if you want to learn my strategy, I invite you to go to the description below. There is a course. I will teach you everything I've been learning in my trading career. I will share with you everything. And I want you to take your time, because I will not tell you here to choose any platform, because most of them are fake and you need to be careful. You need to look for the best one for you. I like to trade on iqoption. I like to trade on Kotex. I like to trade also on Olympic Trade. But the other platforms, some of them are risky crypto. I would like to trade on Binance, but you know what? I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm just sharing with you this trading session for entertainment purposes only. I'm not saying that by learning my strategy, buying my course, you will become millionaire. This is not a getting rich fast scheme. You will spend a lot of time, you will spend effort, you will trade on demo accounts in order to master the strategy, in order to master binary option trading. So yeah, I invite you to give it time, and hopefully guys, with time you will be better and better and better, and you will become profitable. Yeah. And yeah, I'm not guaranteeing you this. I'm not telling you that you will have the same results here. It's easy. No, it's not that easy. It's hard. I spent years in learning and learning and learning. So it's hard. I'm simulating to you what is possible. I'm not guaranteeing you this this results. I'm just simulating what's possible. Everything on this channel is not a call to guarantee you that you will have the same results. It's just a simulation of what is possible. Yeah, that's right. Simulation of what is possible to be done with binary option trading on iqoption or on Kotex or Olympic Trade or binary.com. Yeah, pocket option. There's plenty of platform that allows binary option trading. So I invite you to take your time and try to learn one or two. I guess this one is gonna be the last. Yeah, the last trade, right? Yeah, here, the last trade. This one supposed to go down, up. Sorry, it's going up, I guess. Yeah. So see you later, guys.